Good morning. Can you use your personal credit card in your business if you are a sole proprietor? Yes, you can. If you have multiple credit cards and you don't want to get a business card because you want to, just keep your credit card numbers to a minimum, it's okay to use one of your personal credit card for your business if you are a sole proprietor and file Schedule C, or you are a self-employed. And so, but there is something to keep in mind though. If you want to use your personal credit cards for your business, it is a good idea you stop putting personal expenses on that credit card. So if you have a balance on the card and you have not paid off, you won't be able to separate your the portion of the interest that is tied to your personal expenses. You won't be able to separate that from the portion that is due to the expenses related to your business. If you are in that situation where you have personal expenses on the card, the balance belong to personal expenses, and you start using it for your business as a sole proprietor, do not deduct the interest paid on that card. After you start using it for business, do not deduct that on your Schedule C, because you won't be able to tell apart both expenses or the interest tied to both expenses. You might try to calculate it, but you won't get it accurate. So the first thing to do is to just pay off the card, or if you have multiple credit cards, look at them, their balance, just write it down on a spreadsheet, and the interest you have on them, the balance you have as well. And you can either, depending on your situation, if you want that credit card very quickly, choose the one with the lowest balance, pay off. That way you just keep it for your business. And any interest, if you don't pay off in full at the end of the month, any interest you pay on the card will be business deduction, depending on what you use it for in your business category. There'll be another video on how you will report your credit card interest on your Schedule C. So, and if you have, let's say you have multiple credit cards and you pay them all off, they all are zero balance, then you could choose the one with the highest interest rate to keep for your business, and then you keep the one with the lowest interest rate for your personal expenses. That way, if you need to use your credit card for personal expenses, you have that one, or you have the rest for your personal, and then you have the highest interest rate one for the business. If for some reason you don't pay the business purchase in full on your credit card and you pay interest on it, that interest is business deductible. It's tax deductible on your business, on your Schedule C. So if and the reason why I'm suggesting that you keep the highest interest rate is because, well, you can deduct that expense, that interest expense on your business, and that on your business tax return Schedule C, and that will decrease your taxable income. But if you use the highest interest rate credit card for your personal expenses, you are going to pay that interest if you don't pay your purchases in the balance in full every month, but it's not deductible on your 1040 if you are using it for personal expenses. So that's why you can keep the highest interest rate credit card for your business and keep the lowest interest rate for your personal. So, and then if you are wondering if you wanted to just get a credit card for your business, there are some I will say that Discover is a great one to go with if you are a sole proprietor. They have a business card that they can give they can give you as a sole proprietor, or if you own your business 100%, or you are at least 50% or something like that. So that's something to keep in mind. If you want to get a business credit card, you might want to check with them at Chase, Capital One, I believe Citi as well. But Discover will be one specifically that will that have business credit card option for sole proprietor, but they don't have it for the other business entities if you don't own the business. If you are not the only partner in the business, they don't give you, they don't have business credit card for that. They only have it for sole proprietor. So just keep that in mind. And as of to top it all, yes, you can use your personal credit card for your business, but just keep one for your business and don't use it for your personal expenses, so that you can deduct your interest as a business expense if you choose. But if you don't want to deduct the interest on your business tax return, you just want a credit card to put your business expense on it, and all your credit card have balances on them, that's okay. You can use that credit card that has personal expense on it to for your business expense. If you are a sole proprietor, remember to keep your receipt for the business purchase. Your receipt, you need to keep that, make copies of it and staple the receipt behind it or scan it to have it in the file. And you can have the credit card statement as well if you chose to. But in that case that you are using your personal credit card for your business and you are making both purchases with the card, just make sure during your purchases you don't buy something for the business and something for yourself all on in one transactions. Just have on that receipt that you are keeping for your business, just have expenses related to that business. You are using the credit card for your personal expenses, you are using it for the business expenses, but when you go to buy something, just like within one transaction, if that's for business, just pay for business expenses, and then you can have another transaction for your personal. Don't combine them both on one receipt. It's not what the video is about, but I'm pointing it out. If you are going to be using one credit card for everything, all the expenses, yeah, well, make sure you have business purchases on those receipts just for business, and don't be buying things for yourself and for your business all together on one receipt. I don't think that's a right way to be doing that. Otherwise you'll be putting note on the receipt when you're keeping it in your file that this expense is for your business. It's just better you keep it clean and buy something for your business. Even if you go to the store to use the credit card, pay for your business expense, your business purchase, your business item, and then let the cashier ring whatever you purchase for yourself and pay for that as well. So thank you so much for watching our video. I'm Afiavi Ojune Libreman, creators of Libreman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel and owners of Nina Soap. And our website, our blog is ninasoap.com, and we have our natural e-commerce store, ninassoap.com, where we sell our towels, bamboo towels and flour sack 100% cotton towels. And we have our apparel store, liberlabel.com. Thank you so much for you all that subscribe to our channel. Thank you for commenting, and thank you for watching our videos.